Hey everyone, starting with the first update. iPad users, you can now use WhatsApp on your iPad with a dedicated app that supports all the core features. So yes, full WhatsApp on a big screen. But that's not all. WhatsApp has also introduced a new status feature. You can now create photo collages, turn your photo into stickers, add music to your status, and share it all in one go. It's basically giving your status a mini storytelling upgrade. Next, Hugging Face has introduced two new humanoid robots, Hope GR and Richie Mini. They plans to sell them around $3,000, and also they said that Hope GR will be open source so anyone can build on it, modify it and learn how it works. Next, Samsung has dropped a teaser that hints at the next evolution of its foldable lineup, the Galaxy Fold 7 Ultra. The teaser shows off sleeker edges and even thinner profile and upgraded features like powerful cameras, cutting edge performance, AI features designed specifically for foldable. It is expected to launch in August at Galaxy Unpacked event. Next, Nothing Phone 3 launch date is confirmed. It is launching on July 1st, 2025. Next, Google has officially started direct online sales in India. That means you can now buy Google products straight from their online store. Next, HMD is rumored to be working on two new smartphones, the Skyline 2 and Skyline 2 GT, and two smartwatches, Rubber 1 and Rubber 1S. Other than this, Adobe has released a beta version of Photoshop app for Android devices on the Google Play Store. Firefly powered AI generative fill features, which means you can now use Photoshop on your Android device. And that's it for this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Techie Vertex for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.